Hello and welcome to Steel Industry News YouTube channel. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, as we do appreciate your support. In today's video, we'll be discussing artificial intelligence and its effects on the metal distribution industry. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming industries across the globe, and metal distribution is no exception. While traditionally a brick-and-mortar industry reliant on manual processes, AI is poised to revolutionize every aspect of metal distribution, from production and quality inspection to transportation, sales, and customer service. In this video, we'll delve into the potential impact of AI on metal distribution, exploring its applications and the transformative changes it could potentially bring. AI in metal production: efficiency, quality, and cost optimization. The integration of AI into metal production processes holds immense potential for efficiency gains, improved quality control, and reduced costs. Let's take a closer look at some key applications. Predictive maintenance. Imagine a world where machines can predict their own maintenance needs. AI-powered algorithms can analyze sensor data from equipment to identify potential issues before they escalate into major breakdowns. This proactive approach minimizes downtime and reduces repair costs, and ensuring a smooth production flow. For example, a steel distributor could leverage AI to predict bearing failures in critical machinery, allowing for preemptive maintenance and preventing costly production stoppages. Enhanced quality control. Human error is an inevitable part of manual quality control procedures. AI algorithms and robotics can analyze vast amounts of data from machine sensors to detect anomalies and inconsistencies in real time. This translates to a significant reduction in defects and improved overall production quality. Optimizing raw material usage. Metal distributors consistently strive to optimize their material mix. Optimizing raw material usage. Metal distributors constantly strive to optimize their raw material mix to meet customer specifications while minimizing waste and scrap. AI can play a crucial role in optimizing this process. By analyzing historical data, production parameters, AI can suggest the optimal combination for raw materials to achieve the desired product characteristics while minimizing scrap. This not only reduces costs, but also promotes sustainable practices by lowering resource consumption. Visual inspection with reduced errors. AI-powered visual inspection systems can significantly enhance the accuracy and efficiency of quality control processes. These systems can be trained to identify acceptable and defective products based on visual cues like size deviations, surface conditions, packaging inconsistencies. Distributors can utilize AI-powered visual inspection systems to automate sorting and grading, ensuring consistent quality and reducing the risk of errors that could lead to customer rejections. Robotic assistance for enhanced safety and precision. The integration of AI-powered robotics into metal processing promises a significant leap forward in safety and precision. Robots can handle tasks like slitting, shearing, roll forming, and burning with exceptional accuracy and consistency, minimizing the risk of human error and workplace accidents. AI-powered robots can be deployed in steel service centers to automate the handling of heavy steel plates and coils and reduce the risk of injuries to humans while ensuring precise cutting and operations in a 24/7 environment. In addition, AI is revolutionizing metal transportation. Efficiency, speed, and cost reductions. The logistics of metal distribution are complex, involving intricate transportation networks and tight delivery schedules. AI and automation can help streamline these processes, leading to improved efficiency, faster delivering times, and cost reductions. Here are a couple applications. AI-powered logistics management. AI algorithms can optimize transportation routes, considering factors like traffic patterns, weather conditions, and fuel efficiency. This can help significantly reduce delivery times, minimizing transportation costs. Imagine a distributor leveraging AI to plan the most efficient delivery route for a shipment, of sheets or coils, taking into account real-time traffic data and ensuring on-time delivery to their customers. While still in development, the rise of autonomous vehicles powered by AI have potential to revolutionize metal transportation. Driverless trucks and barges could handle large haul deliveries, increasing efficiency and reducing reliance on human drivers. The metal distribution industry could potentially utilize self-driving trucks for transporting large quantities of metal coils or sheets over long distances, leading to significant cost savings, improved safety, improved delivery times, especially because these vehicles would be able to operate 24/7. AI also has the potential to impact sales and marketing efforts. The integration of AI into sales and marketing strategies can empower metal distributors to reach the right customers with the right products at the right time. Here's a few ways how AI can reshape some of these critical functions. Boosting sales with predictive analytics. AI can analyze historical customer data, identify patterns to predict future buying behavior. This allows metal distributors to target their sales efforts more effectively, focusing on high-potential customers, maximizing conversion rates. A metal distributor can leverage AI-powered sales forecasting tools to predict the demand for specific types of metal from their customer base, allowing them to optimize their inventory levels and ensure they have the right products in stock at the right time to meet customers' needs. Demand forecasting with AI. By analyzing historical sales data, market trends, and economic indicators, AI can generate accurate forecasts of future demand for specific metals. This allows distributors to make informed purchasing decisions, adjusting their inventory levels accordingly to avoid being out of stock or overstocking situations. For instance, a demand forecast tool could predict an increase in demand for stainless steel due to a surge in construction projects, prompting the distributor to secure additional stock to meet the anticipated demand. Marketing advantages through competitor insights. AI can analyze competitor data and marketing strategies, providing valuable insights that can be leveraged to gain a competitive edge in the market. Metal distributors can utilize AI tools to monitor competitor pricing, strategies, product offering, and marketing campaigns, allowing them to adapt their own strategies and stay ahead of the curve. Customer service transformation with AI chatbots. AI-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support, answering basic inquiries, resolving common issues, and directing customers to the appropriate resources. This not only frees up human customer service representatives to handle more complex issues, but also helps enhance overall customer satisfaction and experience by providing instant and readily available support. Metal distributors can implement AI chatbots in their website to answer frequently asked questions about product availability, pricing, and other order status information, improving customer satisfaction and reducing the workload on customer service teams. Now that AI has arrived, it's important to remember that AI is not a silver bullet. It offers a multitude of benefits. It's crucial to acknowledge the potential limitations of AI and ensure a smooth integration into existing workflows. Here are a few things to consider. Data quality is paramount. The effectiveness of AI algorithms is dependent on the quality of the data they're trained on. Distributors need to ensure they have access to clean, accurate, and up-to-date information to train their models and achieve optimal results. Human expertise remains crucial. AI should be seen as a tool to augment human capabilities, not replace them. The industry knowledge and experience of human workers will continue to be essential for tasks like complex problem solving, strategic decision-making, and building strong customer relationships. The need to change management. The integration of AI in any organization will require careful changes in management strategies. Distributors need to prepare their workforce for integration of these tools and provide proper training and address any concerns or anxieties employees may have. It's been said that one constant in business is change, and AI would seem to be an excellent example of that concept. Some changes in AI may have more significant impact than others. The importance of AI to metal distribution cannot be overstated. The possibility appears that AI and robotics will be the most significant change to impact this sector in history, in addition to the world itself. Further, the speed and scope of the impact of the change seems much sooner and greater than most had expected. It suggests a critical need for organizations to take a hard look at this subject, to plan and invest and adjust their strategies accordingly. The integration of AI and metal distribution is no longer a question of if, but when. By embracing AI and its transformative potential, metal distributors can unlock a new era of efficiency, optimization, and customer satisfaction. From streamlining production processes and enhancing quality control to optimizing transportation and logistics, personal customer experiences, it offers a multitude of benefits that can propel distributors towards a more competitive, future-proof business model. The time to explore AI is now. Distributors should begin conducting a thorough assessment of their current operations and identify areas where AI can improve and provide the most significant impact. By investing in AI-powered solutions and building a culture of innovation, metal distributors can position themselves for sustainable growth and success in the ever-evolving industry landscape. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. We certainly appreciate you being here to watch the video in full and supporting the channel. Thanks again for tuning in to Steel Industry News.